Have you ever found yourself tangled in the complexities of C++ templates? It can be quite a challenge, right? If you're struggling with conditionally compiling code based on data types, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. Trying to figure out how to use templates effectively can feel like solving a puzzle without all the pieces. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar hurdles when working with C++ templates. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I compile different code based on the data type in C++ templates? They provided a code snippet that uses both strpy and wcscpy, depending on whether the type is char or wchar-t. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to tackle this. So what's the core issue here? The user wants to conditionally compile code based on the type of the template parameter. This is a common scenario in C++ where you need to handle different data types differently. Let's break it down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to solve this problem, but also gain insights into best practices for using templates in C++. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To conditionally compile different code based on the data type in C++, the user can utilize template specialization. This allows the user to define specific behaviors for different types. Next, the user should implement the specialized behavior for the char type. This will involve defining a specific version of the operator assignment for char. Then the user should implement the specialized behavior for the wchar-t type. This will also involve defining a specific version of the operator assignment for wchar-t. Finally, the user can test the implementation by creating instances of string for both char and wchar-t and assigning values to them. This will demonstrate that the correct function is called based on the type. Fun fact, did you know that C++ was originally designed to add object-oriented features to the C programming language? It's evolved a lot since then, but templates remain one of its most powerful features. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using template specialization. They suggest defining a general string class template and then creating specific specializations for the types you want to handle, like achar-t and wchar-t. They also mention that while they haven't tested the code, more information can be found on template specialization at cppreference.com. Here's a pro tip. Always consider using template specialization when dealing with multiple data types. It can save you a lot of headaches and make your code cleaner and more efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to conditionally compile code based on data types in C++ templates. Remember, mastering templates can greatly enhance your programming skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.